Hey there, science enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our own planet? Well, strap in because the next big thing in space exploration is just around the corner. I'm talking about the Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in October 2024. Now, why is everyone buzzing about Europa? Europa is one of Jupiter's moons, and it's not just any moon, it's a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Yep, you heard that right. Life beyond Earth. The Europa Clipper mission is all about investigating the habitability of this icy moon. You see, Europa has this thick ice shell and scientists believe there's a salty ocean underneath. Imagine that, an ocean hidden beneath miles of ice. So, what's the plan? The Clipper will carry a suite of scientific instruments designed to study Europa's ice shell and subsurface ocean. Think of it like a high-tech detective, collecting clues about the moon's composition, geology, and potential for supporting life. One of the coolest instruments on board is the ice-penetrating radar. This radar will send signals through the ice and measure how they bounce back. It's like taking an X-ray of Europa's ice shell to see what's underneath. Another key tool is the magnetometer, which will help determine the depth and salinity of Europa's ocean by measuring the moon's magnetic field. It's science at its finest, but that's not all. The Europa Clipper will also have cameras and spectrometers to capture high-resolution images and analyze the surface composition. These instruments will help scientists understand the ice's physical properties and detect any potential organic molecules. Who knows, we might just find some signs of life. Now you might be wondering, why is this mission so important? Well, exploring Europa could teach us a lot about the potential for life in our solar system. Plus, it's a stepping stone for future missions to other icy moons and even exoplanets. By studying Europa, we're not just learning about one moon. We're expanding our understanding of where life might exist beyond Earth. And who knows, this mission could be the first step in answering one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? So, mark your calendars for October 2024. The Europa Clipper mission is set to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates on space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up, looking.